shit. Oh, vegetable fat, coconut and palm kernel, sugar, low-fat, cocoa powder processed. Wow. Down here with some truffles, some Belgian cocoa dusted truffles. And I made the mistake of looking at the statistics on the back. And for fat and saturated fat, we are talking 23 and 80. This stuff will put you on the table. I mean, gee, I don't know what they taste like. I've never had them before. So. But it's got a little bit of cholesterol. It's got some iron, and it's got a bunch of added sugars. But the ingredients all sound pretty healthy, you know, with the cocoa and everything. So let's see what these things taste like. And I've heard the name, but I've never had these. So this is what they look like. Belgian truffles. And there's the box. And there's the ingredients. So let's bite the bullet, so to speak. These aren't bad. Milk, chocolate, melts in your mouth. Wow. I can see why people love these. They're incredibly decadently delicious. Wow. These are something dusted truffles. I don't know what that means, dusted, but so there's the box, and then here's the bag, and I don't know, there's maybe looks like maybe 3 dozen in there of these. There's probably they go by weight here. I don't know if so serving size is 4 pieces. So 4 of these is one serving size, and there's looks like 6 serving size. So 6 times 4, 24. 2 dozen of these in the package, and these are fabulous. Just they're out of this world. I've never even thought what to think, because looking at them, they're not anything super attractive or impressive or anything, but that taste, that milk kind of taste, that milky melting kind of explosion like process that takes inside your mouth once you bite into these things. It's just it's awesome. I don't want to beat a dead horse on this, because I don't have anything to add. So I'm gonna sign off.